Hey everybody, welcome back. We got a really good market going on here. It seems like everything in the market's going up. We've got a great day, a great week, an excellent month, awesome 3 month. I mean, we're killing it right here. So the portfolio looks a little different than it did before in the last video. We added Zoom, we added Alibaba, SCLB, Selected Biosciences, is finally like getting to the point that I can unload it. It's got a catalyst coming up on the 30th of this month, and yeah. So we'll start by what we did with Beyond Meat. So Beyond Meat, we're gonna take a look here. Made a profit of Beyond Meat. Let's see, it was almost 30 bucks, 27 something and some change. So wish I would have kept it a little bit longer, but who knows what's going to happen. The analysts peg it for lower than it is right now, but they're monkey analysts, like who knows. So I made some money on that one. And also AMD, bought into that one. And AMD, just for those that don't know, they call it a comeback king because it keeps going through periods of, look at this, oversold, overbought. You can make a killing on this stock over time if you can find the trends, find the dips, wait for confirmation, start buying in, and then, selling off. So you can make a decent profit off this stock many times. So we put a little bit more into this one. We made a little over 36 bucks on it. Not bad for a few days work. So then leads me to the point of buying BABA, because I thought it was, let's see, I bought it at I think 250, right around there. And it's the Chinese version of Amazon, basically. So I bought in on the 19th, 254.96, and oops, and it's at 281.22. Oh, Robinhood would do that again. All right. So we're looking at, almost 40 bucks, and it's on a continuous uptrend. Why would I sell that right now? Looking at the 1 month, the 3 month, it was sitting over 300 bucks. So I'm going to wait for it to retract a little bit to sell it, because I don't want to limit my gains on this one. And when this one does sell, or one of the other ones does sell, I've been looking at a few other things too. Let's go back to Tesla. That one's been on a tear. Absolute tear. The whole EV sector's been on a tear, though. So I invested just a little bit in it, already up, 26.93%. Not terrible. LPCN, again, on the 30th, it's going to be due for the FDA. Hopefully, I'm just praying that it shoots up to, I got to sell it Friday, so hoping for 1.70, 1.80, something like that. If it doesn't materialize, well, it doesn't materialize. But when we're going for some other stocks that we're looking at, I really like Best Buy, actually, because Best Buy had their earnings and they beat earnings, but they ran up prior to earnings and they got beat down. And I'm looking for that one to start making signs of recovery, because that one could be pretty decent. Also, Twitter. Let's go to Twitter. They've had a good week, 5.64, but, they got beaten down. They were at 51. Looks like it might be decent. AMD, again, after I sold it, I'm always looking at AMD, because now they're down to 85. I'm looking for it to get down to 83, 82, 81, 80 to jump back in. but that's always something. AQST, it has periods of getting beaten down, and it always recovers. Well, not always, but you know, I made a profit off of it after this FDA debacle here, and maybe should have held it, maybe not, maybe might buy in again. We'll see. If you look at the 1 year or even the 5 year, oh, that's gross. Yeah, let's look at the 1 year. So gets beat down, runs up, gets beat down, runs up. It's just the way it goes. Also, still looking at FBIO, Fortress Biotech. And on the 1 week, it's down, 6.37%. But realistically, it was up here at 449 and showed signs of recovery. Got a low of 2.22 around there. And still looking at that one. Another one I've been looking at is REGN, Regeneron. That was the drug cocktail that Trump took to get over his COVID. And it's got an interesting, very interesting history here. It's trending in the 3 month. It's around 601 at its high. 1 month, again in the same area, but it's trending down for the past week, the past day. So that might be an interesting play. I'm not so high on that one though, but we'll see what happens. But hopefully any of this was helpful to you. So please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.